everyone, Ken here with Ken's Creations. I know usually I do these things live, but I am in Cancun. However, I cannot miss out on what is about to be released. For those of you who do not know, these cute little things are Cricut Cuties. These were originally released a long time ago, and the idea was kind of like Disney pin trading. You would buy one, it would be in a mystery box, and then you would trade it with your friends and all this stuff. Well, back then, I got all of the collection you see down below. They were gonna send another additional set that never came out, but due to popular Cricut demand, they have started re-releasing these Cricut Cuties. So far this year, we've got, of course, our rose, mint, lilac, and the light blue. At Joann's, if you got some of their specialty boxes, you got the wisteria lane and the gold, which sold out super quick, but they're the metallic ones. Well, I'm so excited to let you guys know 3 additional Cricut Cuties are being released. One of them has already been re-released, but it's a very popular color that people have not been able to find. Well, they have on eBay for like $250, which is just crazy. So I'm so excited. These will be the only way you can get these 3 Cricut Cuties. So if you are a collector, you will not be able to get these any other time released anywhere else. If you want them, you need to buy them, and they are part of a bundle. Remember, you guys can use my code KEN10. That will give you 10% off your purchase and free shipping. It does activate at $50, so make sure you have enough in your cart to be at $50. If you are a Cricut Access member, you get an additional 10% off. If you're not an Access member, become one before you buy these so you get that discount. And then it'll give you 10% off and access to over 65,000 images in Design Space. It's a no-brainer. So let's talk about what you're gonna get. The first set, they've already released it, is this beautiful lilac color. So if you've missed out on that, look at it. Oh my goodness, guys. So this set is the vinyl and iron-on bundle with the lilac Cricut Cutie. Here is what you are going to get. You are going to get, now let me preface this by, this is a value of $201. It is on sale for $99.99. Remember, you can use Cricut Access in my code KEN10. It's gonna take right around $17.50 off for you. But in this set comes everyday iron-on 12 by 24 black, everyday iron-on 12 by 24 white, everyday iron-on 12 by 24 navy, Cricut iron-on glitter gold, everyday iron-on 12 by 24 red, premium vinyl white 12 by 48, the new permanent, premium vinyl black 12 by 48 permanent, premium vinyl dark red 12 by 48 permanent, Cricut glitter vinyl silver 12 by 48, Cricut vinyl linen 12 by 48, and of course the Cricut Cutie. So once again, that set is $201, regular price, on sale for $99.99. This one I'm so excited about. You guys, are you ready? Oh, say hello to the Cricut Cutie Raspberry Bundle. This is a vinyl bundle with the Raspberry Cutie. So this is going to match, of course, our Easy Press 2s. In this set, it is valued at $213.76, and you are going to get this one also for $99.99. Once again, Access members, 10% off. KEN10 gets you another 10% off. In this kit, premium vinyl white 12 by 48 permanent, premium vinyl black 12 by 48 permanent, premium vinyl red 12 by 48 permanent, Cricut glitter vinyl silver 12 by 48, Cricut vinyl linen 12 by 48, Cricut stencil material, 12 by 48, a very underused material that I love. Holographic vinyl in both blue and opal, you'll get 12 by 48. Cricut premium outdoor vinyl white, 12 by 48. Cricut glitter vinyl gold, 12 by 48. Cricut premium outdoor vinyl black, 12 by 48. Cricut dry erase vinyl, 12 by 48. And of course, the Cricut Cutie in raspberry. I love this one. Oh, all right, guys, we have one more Cricut Cutie that is being released today. Say hello to the Cricut Cutie Flamingo. This is an iron-on bundle with the Flamingo Cutie. It is regular price $205.84. You're gonna be getting it for $99.99. In this kit, you will get Everyday Iron-On Black 12 by 24, Everyday Iron-On 12 by 24 White, Everyday Iron-On 12 by 24 Gray, Everyday Iron-On 12 by 24 Navy, Cricut Iron-On Glitter Gold, Everyday Iron-On 12 by 24 Red, Everyday Iron-On 12 by 24 Pink, Cricut Iron-On Light Navy, Foil Iron-On Rose Gold 12 by 24, Foil Iron-On Red 12 by 24, Foil Iron-On Light Gold 12 by 24, and Foil Iron-On Chrome 12 by 24, and of course, the Cricut Cutie Flamingo. That is so exciting, you guys. We will, come on over here, Sean, really quick. Sean was, as you know, we're not live, so we can't use Switcher Studios, or we would have had these graphics integrated for you, but we're in Cancun, but I could not miss these guys. I'm gonna grab the sheets really quick. So, Sean, do you get the whole craze around Cricut Cuties?
Yes, I do.
Why do you think people are so crazy?
Oh, look at them, they're so cute.
They are cute.
How could you not?
They're pretty cute.
We don't have one, we have many.
Yes, here's the deal. I'm an avid collector. I have the entire collection thus far.
Yep.
And I know what you guys are already saying, $99 for the kit to get the Cricut Cutie does seem like a lot. But if you think about it, that is how much these guys were going in Joann's, anywhere between, I think, $59 and $69. And it does come with a lot of stuff in those boxes. This $99 is giving you a ton of material. So I know there's a lot of people out there saying, well, I want all 3 Cricut Cuties. That's going to be around $300. Don't forget, Cricut Access members gets 10% off. That takes $30 off the price right there. Okay, so if you are not a Cricut Access member, you need to join before you buy these kits. Once you've joined and completed the checkout process, the checkout will recognize your Cricut Access and automatically give you 10% off. So it brings it, if you were to buy one kit, it takes $10 right off. So it brings it basically down to $90. Plus, it's over $50, so you can use my code KEN10. That's gonna take another $9 off. So it's gonna bring it down to $81. Yep. If you were to get all 3, you're looking at around $240. Here's the deal, if you already have the lilac, you don't need that one. But the flamingo and raspberry are pretty freaking cute.
Yeah, they are.
Go show them again, Sean, so we can
see
show
these
them.
up close.
Because this will be the only way you can get this. I'm excited because I think this means that they're going to be releasing more Cricut Cuties. I don't know that to be a fact. They don't tell us that information. These are like more confidential than machines, I think.
There's the flamingo.
So cute.
Of course, our lilac.
Yep.
And this one I love. Raspberry.
Yes. So of course you guys know that these all match some sort of Cricut product. So the raspberry is, of course, they did release a machine in that, but it was the Cricut Easy Press 2. They released a very popular Cricut Explorer bundle with that flamingo color, and it was extremely popular. So I think that's why they're releasing it. And I do think the reason they're re-releasing the lilac is last year at the Cricut Makeathon, it was the first color to run out when they sold them. And as experts, we were going to them and saying, hey, this lilac one is so hard to find. People were literally getting like $75 to $200 for it. So I think they recognized that and said, okay, we need to get more of those in production. And they did. So if you don't have it, now is your chance to get it. Once again, these are limited. So once they're out, they're out. They will not be re-released. All the links are down below for each specific kit, so that way you can get the ones you want. I do not know how many they have in stock. I do not know how quickly they will go. I do know that they have not sent them to me and I have to buy all 3 of them. Yippee. Which is totally fair, but I was like, I think I really need them to show them on the video, and they're like, here's some photos. I tried to work it, Sean.
I know.
I didn't get my Cricut Cuties.
We tried.
Yes. So I'm super excited about this, you guys. If you are an avid Cricut collector, you will love these. Don't let the cost get in the way, because once these are gone, they're gone. And I do anticipate, because they're limited quantities, we will see them, unfortunately, on eBay for high amounts of money, which is crazy, but that's how much in demand they are. So I know, I get it. You guys are like, oh, that's the cost of the machine. I don't know, Ken. But I'm like, hello. They're an investment. They're like my Ray Dunn. That's how I told Sean. I was like, Sean, I know a lot of this Ray Dunn looks overwhelming, but it's an investment. And he bought that. So if you have to tell your husbands or wives, it's an investment. These are going to gain value.
Sure.
I cannot guarantee that. I don't know if they will, but I'm pretty sure they will.
Probably.
All right, guys. So definitely take advantage of it. We are so sorry we're not here live with you. I wish I could have released these live with you because I'm so excited about these cuties. They are one of my favorite secret products of Cricut, and they are very tight-lipped about it. They will not release anything on Cricut Cuties. So I'm bummed I'm not doing this with you guys live. But as soon as we're back, we will go live with all of you guys. Thank you so much for supporting us when you do use those links down below. That does give us a little bit kickback from Cricut, which we thank you for using those links. That's working towards a very big goal. Can't release much, but it involves this guy that he's been looking forward to for a very long time. We'll officially announce that when we get back, but when you do use those links, it does help that dream to come true, and we're very thankful. So, thank you so much. We will see you guys when we are back from Cancun and recovered from our hangovers, because it's all inclusive. I so wanted to take these Cricut Cuties and do a live down there, but I don't know how Wi-Fi is. And their little antennas, I was afraid they was gonna break because I'd broken one. This little girl here is broken. We fixed her. She had some plastic surgery. It's all good. She's gonna be on an episode of E-Botched, but I mean, it's pretty good. No, she's gonna be on Botched. So anyways, that's why we're doing it this way. So, all right, guys, thank you so much. We adore all of you to pieces. So sorry we're not here with you live, but I know you guys will love these, and I just cannot wait for you guys to get your hands on them. Thanks for everything. We'll talk to you later. Bye.